Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela for Hipkitclub again, and I'm showing you how I created a layout using the February main kit only. And I started my page by cutting lots of triangles. So I first of all I cut squares, and then I cut triangles in different sizes. And now I want to try to arrange them here in a nice way. I'm combining different papers, the wood grain exclusive paper and the Eco Park paper, and of course I also want to use the vellum. I love having vellum in the kits, and this time we have 2 sheets of vellum in the cardstock kit. So cardstock and main kit only it is today. And I think that this time we have a big variety of different papers in the kit. So we have strong colors that we can use for bright pages and for boys layouts, and we also have soft colors, and I'm going for those soft colors on this page. So I have picked the wood grain paper and the hard pattern paper, and also the black and white floral paper here, which looks quite nice in combination. And you see that I'm layering my triangles now to build little clusters. I have 4 clusters all in all, and now I can just see where I have to fill in some blanks, and I try to have all the papers in each row, at least the wood grain and the light blue papers. And now I think that I have a nice cluster here, and I can begin to fix and to adhere everything. I'm working with glue pads this time, because this way I can rearrange the elements if I feel that something is missing, or if I'm not satisfied with the results. So this gives you the possibility to change the arrangements again, and also it is a clean way of adhering paper. So the vellum is placed in 3 of the rows or 3 of the clusters, and I really like the soft touch that it creates. And I think that this color combination is really delicate and soft and nice, and I really like it. Okay, so a few more triangles to go, and then I can start to think about the other side, because first of all I wanted to create this big triangle cluster here, and then I want to have another part with a picture. So I have got a picture taken in rehab. I've been to cardiologic rehab last year, and the picture shows my favorite reading spot in my room. So I want to have some layers behind my picture, of course, and then I have to think about how to embellish it, because it feels to be a bit empty here on the right hand side. But first of all, some layers. So this no, this chipboard sticker will be there, and I like the fact that we have this grid design on the Pink Fresh Studio packages. So I'm using one of those here, taken from the enamel dots, and yeah, this is a nice design, and I think we can just use it here as a pattern paper as a last layer. So yeah, just flipping through all my things. The ephemera pack here from Pink Fresh Studio, so pretty. I love the flowers and all the designs, and I also add some chipboard stickers from Simple Stories. So just cut off the upper part because the colors don't really fit. And now I can try different things. We have those round stickers here from Pink Fresh, and also the enamel dots, and the chipboard stickers from Simple Stories, and yeah, this gives you a big variety of different things you can use. And now I want to create a soft background here for my picture. I just mixed up some golden Lindy's powders with some water, and now I also added some sprinkles on top of the triangles, and then I can place my picture here on top of the soft golden soft background. Yeah, I think this can stay this way, and now I can add some more details here and there. But first of all, I take off the color so that I don't mess up anything here by splattering the color. Okay, it's time for the title now. It's 15 books in rehab, so I've read quite a lot during my free time. I also had lots of sports on my program, and of course I also had some visitors, but I spent lots of time relaxing, and yeah, I really felt much better afterwards. I think that the alphabet stickers here look quite nice in combination with the chosen papers. And now I also cut another paper part from the Pink Fresh Studio paper. This is my favorite, and I place it here next to my picture. And now I also want to add some florals. So this is a good place for it, and then I have to add something yeah, on the other side so that it is more balanced. So I just yeah, take a little piece of this die cut, and now I also want to have a kind of frame, so I cut off 1 inch here from each 1 centimeter from each side of the cardstock, and now I can flip through my papers again to decide what background might be a nice frame. So I really like this one. I also have I already have cut off the middle of this paper for the triangles. I like to have frames around my layout, so I often cut out the middle if I want to use paper pieces, and yeah, this way I can use the big part as a frame now. So now it's time for some journaling, and I also added some enamel dots in light blue. And then I just add some tiny details and the date, of course. I always have a date on my layouts. And then I also want to add some sewing yarn. Just place it under the flowers, and then I guess I can just adhere the cardstock to my paper, and then I am finished. Well, I hope you like my way of using the main kit. Thanks so much for watching today, and have fun using your kits, stay healthy, and see you next time. Bye bye.